Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating topic: generating AI images for free and making money by selling them on Fiverr. These images are generated with AI, so if you're ready to explore this exciting venture, let's dive right in. The hundreds of sellers are earning money by selling AI images on Fiverr. This seller charges $300 for only 3 pictures. You can also easily do this using AI. Different AI tools are available for generating images, but Leonardo AI is the best tool for generating AI images. Open your Chrome browser, search for Leonardo AI, visit the Leonardo AI website, and sign up for an account if you don't have one already. If you do, simply log in. This is the interface of the Leonardo AI tool. Simply click on Image Generation and specify the type of image you want. For example, I provided a prompt to this AI tool: generate a little boy playing football. It's processing the prompt and attempting to generate the best image. Here are the results based on my prompt. Once you're satisfied with the generated image, you can download it to your device. Leonardo AI typically provides options for downloading the image in various formats and resolutions. You can also adjust the input dimensions, thereby altering the image's parameters to enhance the output resolution and achieve a higher quality image. For example, I provided another prompt to this AI tool: generate a thirsty crow. Here are the results based on my prompt. These pictures are clear and object detection is so accurate. These pictures look so real. Now, you might be wondering what you can do with these AI-generated images. Well, the possibilities are endless. You can use them for personal projects, social media content, or even sell them as digital art. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy generating!